Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can print a PDF document through the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the Bluebeam application on your device, open the given PDF document by clicking into File in the top left, choose Open, and then navigate to or locate the file on your device to open it here. So let me just close that split view here. So that's our document. What you want to do is click into File again and choose Print, or use the shortcut Ctrl P. Then you will see the preview of the document here with the margins, with the width and height, and then you will see also these settings here to the right. So make sure that you choose the correct printer from that menu that is connected to your device. Then guys, check the status here. If it's ready, then you're good to go. And below you can choose the page range, for example, all pages, or if you'd like to go with specific pages, you can go with this option here too, like for example, custom range from the drop-down menu, or even pages, odd pages, the current view, first page, last page, so on and so forth. Below guys, you may change the paper size. It will be set to A4 on default, but you can also go with any of these. As you can see, there are other paper sizes like A5, leather, and so on and so forth. As you can see, it's not entirely in English for me, but in Polish, so that's a little bit confusing here because the interface language is English, but okay. And then you will see these that set up below, like you may set an amount of copies, for example, rotate the given page by 90 degrees, adjust the page scaling, for example, fit to margins like this, or fit to paper. And yeah, once you're ready guys, you may click into print. Make sure that your printer is turned on. You can also navigate to the advanced settings here if you'd like to, for example, go through these settings. However guys, I have no idea what these advanced printing settings are about, so I'm just going to click it to cancel here. And that's it. So that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.